Hello student, today we will read B reading. A unit B reading poems. Two poems are there, the town child and one the countryside. Today we will read the town child. Let's start. I live in the town in a street. It is crowded with traffic and feet. Feet means people who walk in a street. That there are buses and motors and trams. Trams is an electric vehicles that transport people in a city like train. I wish means desire. There were meadows. Meadow means a field with grass and wildflowers. And lamb. Sheep's baby called lamb. Now next. The houses are wait in a row. Row means line. In line. There is smoke everywhere. That is I go. I don't like the noises I hear. I wish that there were woods means forest very near. There is only one thing that I love, and that is in the sky forever. There is plenty. Plenty means more of room in the blue for castles. Castles is called a large strong building, that is called castle. Of clouds and me too. Now in this poem is written by the Irene Thompson. Now the poet Irene Thompson describe a town child who wishes or who like to live in the country life. Country life means in village life, because in the town there are means in street are lot of crowded with the people, and there is heavy traffic of buses there, cars and trams. Lot of noise pollution is there, lot of crowded there, and street are full of noise and smoke. And the town child does not like these all not like. What he like meadows, lot of field is there, and their lamb is there. There were lot of wood near the where he live. Means here he wished to or he like to live in the village life. He imagines that there were meadows and lamb. There were woods every near. Means full jungle is there, lot of trees there. But we do not find in city these all things, because in city all houses is very near is there. He likes only one thing. What he likes? Only one thing. He only likes one things in the town. In city he like only one thing, that only blue sky, because which is very far above and contains lot of castles of clouds. Actually lot of clouds are there. That clouds, when you look clouds in more nicely, then you will see they are look like in different shapes in the sky. Then he like only what he like only in city. He likes only open for sky. Otherwise he did not like city life. Because why? Because lot of pollution, lot of crowded, lot of peoples are living together. Meadows are not there, fields are not there, lot of noise there, noise pollution is there. He wants lot of forest, trees near his house. Okay, thank you. Hello children, it is unit first B reading. Second poem. One poem, the town child, you already read. Now it is the country child. Country means village, child means child. Now, my home is a house near a wood. I would live in a street if I could. The lanes means a narrow road in a countryside. That is called lanes. Narrow road is there, gully you can call that. Is are so quiet. Quiet means silent. Oh dear, I do wish that someone lived near. Now here countryside don't like, village child don't likes to live in the village, because why? Country, near house, near wood is there, lot of trees are there, houses are very far there, and he wanted to live in the street means now in city lot of trees are not there, jungles are not there. That is why we live near street only there. We not live in between the forest like in houses there. And there, because here in line wise in city, line wise houses are there, but there in line houses are very far is there. That is why line is very quiet. That is why he wanted to live like this place where all friends live near houses is there, means that life he likes. Here is no one to play with at all. The trees are so high and so tall, and I should be lonely for hours were it not for the birds and the flowers. What he is telling? He is telling no one is there. No one is there to play with me, because full long trees are there. Because in village life is pure life is there, lot of trees there, very high trees are there. I can't see, it is lonely, alone is there. I live alone, so I lived alone only so many hours, and there no birds were there and no flowers are there, because it is very tall tree there. So he did not like the life of country. He wanted to live in city. He liked the life of city. I wish that I lived in a town to see all the trams going down and twinkling street that is bright with wonderful color at night. Here he is wishing that he wanted to live in a town, because town he could see trams. I told what is a tram? Tram is a narrow, it is an electric vehicle that transport people in a city. That, and he was telling he wanted to see twinkling street. Twinkling street means in street lot of light is there, day and night vehicles are running in the street, and light are on in night time also in city. And village so much lights are not there, people early go to bed. That's only problem is there, that bright with the wonderful colorful at light, lot of different in night time full street is like a different color of lights there. He desired to see all things. He wanted to live in a city and want to enjoy the life of a city. Okay, thank you. Hello student, today we will read C reading. Unit first, C reading, third lesson. Name of the lesson is The New Blue Dress. Actually, this lesson is a story of a great avenue. Great Avenue is a small street in a Cleveland. Okay, let's start. When spring came in the city of Cleveland in 1909, it did not change. Great Avenue. People who lived on the pretty street, pretty means beautiful, street near Great Avenue were making garden, painting their houses, but Great Avenue continued to look dirty and ugly. Actually, spring season is the season of flowers and fruit, and lot of festivals also falls in this season. When spring season came in the city of Cleveland in 1909, it means It did not change. What not change? Gate Avenue did not change. People lived near the Gate Avenue. One pretty good colony is there. Those people lived in that colony near the Gate Avenue. In spring season, they were making garden because it is a season of flower. That's why they are making gardens, painting their house and their houses because of festivals are there. So many festival falls in that season. But Gate Avenue looks like a dirty because it was a dirty street and it looked very dirty and ugly. All garbage people throw there in street only. In spring season also they did not doing anything. They are not doing any cleanliness in their houses and their street. Now next, Gate Avenue was a short street. It is a very small street, not a very big colony. It is a small colony only, but it seemed longer because it was so ugly. Most of the colonies who lived there had very little money. They were expected, means never think, to have any more. Actually, Gate Avenue is a so short street, means a small colony. Like your Patancheru is there, and in Patancheru, lot of colonies are there. Srinagar, Gautam Nagar, and Shantinagar. Like this, Gate Avenue also in Cleveland city. This Gate Avenue is a small street, a small colony, but it seems very big because that street is so dirty. All people throw their garbage, all water throw there only. Dirty, never clean their houses and their street because the families who lived in this colony, they had very little money. Actually, they were very poor. Very poor people lived there. And they are like these people. They never thinking about to earn more. They are satisfied to that money and they never think to do any hard work, any cleanliness and anything to earn more. Okay. Hello children, it is the part 2 of the lesson, The New Blue Dress. See reading, page number 20 in your textbook. Let's start. Their houses had not been painted for many years. They did not even have running water. The street itself was ugly too. Too means also. Ugly means dirty. There was no pavement. There was no street light and the railroad at the end of Gate Avenue added noise and dirt. There means the people, those who were living in the Gate Avenue street. Their houses had not been painted so many years and they did not have running water facilities also, and road also so much ugly because they never cleaned it and never cleaning and always throwing all garbage there in front of house, and there no pavement is there. Road is no, kacha road also not there. That full dirt is there like dustbin, that is street. And street light also not there. This colony means where? Gate Avenue. And at the end of the Gate Avenue, railway track was there. That's why frequently trains are passing through that area. That's why so much noise is there and also dirt. Lot of dirt is there because railway dirt also, garbage also they throw there also because it look like a dirty street. That's why everybody throw there only that. Now next, the other girl in the school near Gate Avenue wore new and pretty clothes that spring, but the little girl from Gate Avenue still wore the dirty dress and she had worn all winter. Probably she was the only dress she owned. Owned means having. Now, Gate Avenue near, other girls are coming to school. They wore new dress in spring season. But the little girl, those who was living in Gate Avenue, she was in spring season also, festival season also. She wore same dress which she had wore in full winter. She was not washing also the dress, and same continuously same dress only wearing in festival, because festival everybody, if poor and rich, they buy new cloth and they wear new cloth. Perhaps that girl having only one dress, not having more dress. That is why she used to wear same dress in spring season also. Hello children, it is the third part of your lesson. The new blue dress, page number 20. Okay, let's start. Her teacher was very unhappy. The little girl who was so nice, she always worked hard in school. She was always friendly and polite. Polite means very good behavior, good mannered. Her face was dirty. Her hair was untidy. Untidy means not cleaned. But anyone could see that she was pretty, means beautiful, under the dirt, because she was never facing her face. Now I told that little girl in spring season in her school, all children, because that is the festival season, is their spring season, change their dress and they all clean their house. But that girl keep coming like this in school only, same dress, dirty, and she never cleaning her face and tying her hair properly. Then her teacher was very unhappy, because she was a very nice girl, because she was study very good. She always work hard in school, means study good, completing her work in timely and learning everything nicely. And she was always friendly, means helping to all other and good natured girl. Her face was dirty and her hair was also not cleaned, dirty there. She was never daily not combing, not maintaining that daily, not neat. And but anyone can see she was very beautiful, but because she was not washing face and not cleaning hair, that was she did not look beautiful. Next, one day the teacher said, "Won't you wash your face before you come to school? Tomorrow morning, please do that just for me." One day teacher seen that girl is coming like this, and she is very good nature, hard working. Maybe parents not take care of that. So teacher told, you would not wash your face before coming to school, and please just tomorrow wash your face and come for me. Okay. Then next morning the child's pretty face was clean, because she was very beautiful, but because she was never washing, that's why that face was not looking beautiful. Then next morning she washed face, because teacher told. She was a obedient girl, and then she was looking very beautiful. Her hair was tidy, means that hair also she combed and it is arranged, hastily arranged that there. Before the little girl went home that afternoon, the teacher said, "Now dear, please ask your mother to wash your dress." Now when she was, teacher told encouragement, "You are looking today very beautiful." But before going the school, teacher told, "Please tell to your mother, ask your dress." That dress also washed and then come to school. Next, but the girl continued to wear same dirty dress. Continued means keep wearing same dress. Her mother is probably means perhaps not interested in her, means not interested, not cleaning, not paying any attention. The teacher thought. Second, it is the second form of think, past form of think. So he bought by second form, past form, bought a bright blue dress and gave it to the little girl. The child took the gift eagerly and rushed to home. Rushed to home means going fastly, went home quickly. That now teacher told कि change your wash your dress, but that girl keep coming same dress, did not wash. May teacher thought might be that mother is not paying attention, and might be she didn't have any more dress, that only single dress she was having. The teacher thought like this. That is why teacher gifted that girl a blue, bright, good color blue dress, and that girl taken gift and she became very happy and then went quickly to home. Okay, thank you. Hello children, it is the third part, no, fourth part of your lesson, the new blue dress, page number 21. Let's continue. The next morning she came to school in a new blue dress and she was very clean and tidy. She told her teacher, my mother could not believe her eyes when she saw me this morning in my new dress. My father wasn't at home, but he will, this is will contraction. She at me at the supper means night meal. Night meal means dinner tonight. She was full of excited means happy, strong feeling. Now next morning that girl, because teacher gifted blue dress, and next morning she told to teacher, she came the school with new dress, wearing new dress. After that she told to teacher, you know teacher, my mother could not believe after seeing me, because she was looking very very beautiful, because that girl was very beautiful, but because she was not washing face, not tying his hair and not arranging hair and not changing dress, that's why she looked very dirty. Now, and she told my mother was not believing that I had like this, that beautiful girl is in my house, and my father was not there, madam. And when I know when in night dinner time he will come back from his work, and he would also praise me, and she was very very happy. Next, when her father saw her in a new blue dress, he was amazed, means surprised, to find that he had a very pretty little girl. When the family at supper, he was even more amazed to see the cloth on the kitchen table. Now father came night, and father seen her daughter. After that he got surprised कि I had a this much beautiful daughter. I never paid attention because she was looking dirty. She was not wearing changing cloth. And after that in night time dinner, father become more surprised because mother also cleaned the room, and kitchen table also she put a tablecloth. Tablecloth is a piece of cloth which can be wearing the table. The family had never used the tablecloth before, because I told na, these all people, that area, the all people live, Gate Avenue, all people live, poor people only living, and they never think to do anything in their life, so they never use tablecloth. We are going to begin to be tighter, means more clean here, his wife told. I am ashamed, means same, to be dirty, even our daughter is so clean. Then mother told, "Ki now I will make all clean, neat and clean my house, because I am feeling same. I had like this beautiful girl is there, and my house is that much dirty and all waste. That's why now I will clean everything." After supper means dinner, the mother began to wash the kitchen floor. Her husband watched silently for several moments. Now, father seen mother was never cleaned kitchen, never doing anything, just laying like this, just sitting like this. But now father was put very much surprised. Mother was working, cleaning floor all. Then he went outside and began to repair the fence. Now he went outside all the barriers are there outside. He started repairing. He started because mother is doing inside cleaning. Then father also started outside cleaning. The next evening, with the family help, they began to make a garden. Now all member, mother and father and girl, they started cleaning, and outside they cleaned now nicely, and they made a garden outside, put some flower plant, and that become a neat and good outside and inside. When after getting the dress from his teacher. Hello students, it is the continuation is of the page number 21. See reading the lesson New Blue Dress. Let's start. During the following week, following means coming week, the man in the next house watched that his neighbor was doing, and by the end of the week the man began to paint his house for the first time in 10 years. Now, beside that girl neighbor, man seen they are making outside garden, and that looked very beautiful and neat and clean. That's why that man also neighbor also started cleaning, and they also painted their houses. And then first time in 10 years they started. One room is other also do. A few days later, a young minister of the church near Gate Avenue passed these two houses and saw two men working. For the first time, he noticed that there was no pavement on the Gate Avenue, no street light, no running water. People who are trying to hard make decent means to live good home, they deserve help. Now, after few weeks, because these two members painted their house and made garden outside, a church minister was passing through that road, and after that he has seen these two men in this colony. No running water is there, no street light is there, nothing is there. And first time he noticed, and their people deserve, because they want to live neat and clean, how they are working outside and how they are cleaning. After that minister thought, he asked some important citizen in the city help them, and after this the rich man businessman, he asked some help to help them. What? To make a road and running water facility and street light, all that. He collected amount to develop that colony. That which colony? The Gate Avenue. In a few months later, means after, because of the young minister, there was a pavement on the Gate Avenue. Now after, because minister told, and then after he asked the help of some businessman and some respective citizen, and after that colony, after few months after, that colony have pavement. Which colony? Gate Avenue. There was a street light on the corner, and houses had running water. 6 months after the little girl got her new blue dress, Gate Avenue had become a tidy street where respectable citizen live. After only when teacher given a new dress, blue dress to the gifted that girl, after 6 months that colony became good because that colony now had road, pakka road is there, footpath is there, and after this street light, running water facilities, and all people are respectable people also started living there because that colony become good. When people in other place heard the story of Gate Avenue, and now other colony, those colonies are like this, colonies was there, slum area, they heard the story of Gate Avenue ki how they improved and how they make their colony better, good. They began to organize their own cleanup campaign since 1913, and these also other colony also, slum area also, they started doing their colony neat and clean. They are in hope ki they would also get the help. More than 7,000 towns and cities have organized campaign for painting and repairing house and making better live for people who live them. Like this 1913 up to, there are thousands of areas and thousands of colony that are same asking help to the peoples, and they are after that painted their houses, repair their houses, and road and water facilities, light facility, all colony became good colonies. Now who knows that will happen when a teacher give a little girl a new blue dress? Who thought that like this would happen? Only that teacher given one gift, after that much big change would be take place. But it was the truth that teacher after that colony and so many like this area became good and became respectable colonies and area of that area. Thank you.